Hey guys, this is my brand new Honda Trail, or as known here in Thailand, Honda CT125, and we are going to fish. And this is one of the first time ever that we ever try to fish, so don't expect much from us. But I hope we can catch at least a tiny fish. Let's go. Oh, by the way, I bought this Honda CT125 a few days ago. Already come with full extra accessories. I buy it second hand and just have 1,300 kilometers run, so it's pretty new. The guy have this motorcycle for less than 3 months. He just sold it to me. Maybe he didn't like it much. I installed this black aluminum top case. As you guys see, he made few little modifications, like a crash bar and luggage racks and extra, I don't know you call this in English, and guards. A lot of little modification. Oh, and the biggest one that you can see, the seat for pillion. This motorcycle is a single person motorcycle, but that's it. Let's go for fishing, guys. I'm really excited. I never fished ever before. Cuidado com o teu foot peg. Ah, vês a medida, por isso. Oh, acaba exatamente dos capacetes.
E vamos para o posto de
Look guys, we just arrived at a place named Laem Son, and yeah, people is burning trash here. Funny, because every time we come here, it's extremely trashy. But today is quite clean. O mesmo lugar ainda não é um peixe.
Bom, até agora o nosso peixinho está...
Já vive.
Está sem...
Vai contando quantas é que dura para a gente tirar a idade média dos coisas.
5 não, 4 vezes. Aqui é difícil mandar, está bem da vento.
E o vento puxa para este lado.
Aqui não perdemos isto.
Ih, tantos! Aqui tens a iscas.
Espera aí.
Isso parece maior que ele. Onde é que ele está?
Fugiu para ali. Eu sei onde é que ele está. Está ali assim ao pé daquele saco de plástico.
Oh, tem ali outros. Olha, tem um monte deles. Carlos, atira ali, atira ali.
agora quero apanhar é peixe.
Lá, vamos apanhar peixe. Sem peixe nem carta.
Ainda bem.
Ótimo.
Quer ter que fazer sacolas.
Bem, já deve ser mais ou menos bom aqui, não?
Posso usar isto com isca?
Look guys, first time fishing, my friend just caught, what's the name of this in English?
Shell.
Pô caralho. You see guys, not easy. We watch few YouTube videos, another guys drive motorcycle, come to fishing. We bought extremely cheap rods, extremely cheap reel, and we try to fishing for the first time in our life. We never fished before, so we need to know if we are doing this correct, if we are not doing this correct. We have no freaking idea what we are doing. But Carlos already lucky. Vou usá-lo como bait e este para casa assim nada. Nem pequenino. Imagina se precisasses fazer isso e não sabes pescar. So guys, we didn't catch anything. It isn't easy like we talked. On YouTube seems extremely easy, but yeah, as the first time fishing, we didn't catch anything. As you can see, lots of people enjoying the beach.